we going to call this? The Weight Loss King Fat Burning Weight Loss Immune Smoothie. It's a mouthful. I have a fat burning carrot ginger weight loss burning smoothie. Okay, so it's going to taste delicious. The reason why I say it's fat burning, good for weight loss, it's also good for your immune system. So I will put down in the description the reason what is celery and carrot and mint and apple and ginger and the benefits, so you can understand. Explain to you why it is great for your immune system as well as also to burn the fat away. Okay. God, don't know when to breathe. So, our NutriBullet. So I'll put this on one side so you can see exactly, not me, but you can see exactly what we are going to add into our NutriBullet. And we don't peel anything. We want the NutriBullet to crush all up because the skin, there is so much fiber and goodness and people peel it. They take all day to peel it and to peel it and to peel it. You don't need to do that, you just need to get rid of some of the seeds and just put everything inside. Okay, enough said, enough talking. So the first we're going to add is some celery. Fiber plus. Okay, God, these knives are really good. That's some new knives, they are Master Chef knives. Who knows, I might turn into a Master Chef. So, could you imagine me having my own, I mean I do have my own cooking show, but like a cooking show. So let's add the celery in. So as you can see, I've added the leaves and all. Next, carrot. You can see that. See, look. See how fancy I look? Look. I look professional. Look at that. Look. Ah, yeah. That looks professional. Come on. Carrots are great. So carrot, celery. Next, green apple. My hairdresser the other day said to me, I eat red apple. And I said, I eat green apple. Because why green apple for? And I said, well, the reason why is because green apple has less natural sugar than red. Okay? God, I love these knives. They're great. Okay, so celery, apple, ginger. Where is our ginger? Now, I just normally cut it up. Some people grate it. It's quite, ooh, that's really peppery. So let's cut it up. We're going to add the whole lot in. Okay. So ginger. So next, what else we have in our basket? Oh, mint. There we go. Give it a bit of throw the mint in. Great for the digestion system. So we've added the carrot, that. So next we have both a lime and a lemon. Have this first thing in the morning. Okay. So let's add lemon. Wow, check this lime out. Check out that sucker. That's really juicy. Okay, that's inside there. Okay, and we have some apple cider vinegar. Just a bit of a there. We have some chia seeds. Let's put. That will give us some thickness as well. I'll make it nice and thick. You can add yogurt if you wish to make it thick as well, but this is a real nice. We don't need yogurt. And some water. Where's that line? Where's that line? Okay, that's ready to go. Now, do you remember the ingredients? Carrot, green apple, celery, mint. Then we have lime, lemon, apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, mint and water. And if you want to, you can add some ice to it. It's gonna have a hard time crushing this baby. Okay, let's make sure that's all closed. Excuse the noise. Power's on. Done. Wow. These Nutribullets are just out of this world. Like our little mint container. Quite groovy, isn't it? Okay, so here we go. Let's add this goodness. And in a tall glass. There you have it. Your weight loss, fat burning immune system. Get up and go. To make it pretty, just add a mint on top. Well, I'm going to try it. Really nice. In actual fact, it's not too bitter, and it's got no, and it's not sweet either, so it's perfect. So what are we going to call this? The Weight Loss King Fat Burning Weight Loss Immune Smoothie. It's a mouthful. The smoothie is completed, and just be in the moment, in the present. That's all you need to do. I'm Silvestro, the Weight Loss King, helping women lose weight for the very last time. I lost 80 kilos 18 years ago. It took me 18 months, so I might have something worth sharing so you can lose weight for the very last time. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, in a really nice way. And I promise that I'll keep on producing and showing you lots of new recipes that you can enjoy, and workouts and motivational talks that ultimately will help you lose weight for the very last time. Ciao, belly. The skin, there is so much fibre and goodness, and people peel it. They take all day to peel it. And to peel it, and to peel it. You don't need to do that, you just need to get rid of some of the seeds and just put everything inside.